Responders, kneel beside the victims.
Oh, wait lang ha. Everybody, ito ang gagaritan ko dito. Listen up.
Ganun muna.
Listen.
Ganun.
Please, be serious. Just imagine na totoong tao yung sinisipian ninyo. Again, wag na wag yung sasaktan yung mga kalbo na yan ha. Baka sampalin nyo. Wag naman. Okay.
Okay. Responders, check the consciousness of the victim. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. The victim is unresponsive. Check the airways, breathing, and circulation. Bilang tayo. 2004. The victim has no pulse and no breathing. Ready to CPR. Locate the center of the chest. Yan. Locate the center of the chest. On my go. 1, 2, 3, go. One second. Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin sila.
Okay. So, clarification lang, as you can see, medyo mababaw yung pagbigay ng compression ni Kuya. Pero okay lang yan. Pag po kasi ganun, hindi marirevive yun. Parang inigilitin nyo lang yung victim. Okay? So, kailangan ma-reach po natin yung level ng compression ng team. Okay? Next po tayo. Next.